Hi, good afternoon. I'm Jeffrey from EBS. Today, I would like to talk about a topic. The topic is firewall. Is it necessary in our company? Should we use it? Especially now, the time has come where most of our infrastructures, server are all moving to the cloud, and the application also move to the cloud. So, should we still have a firewall in our office? Okay, the answer is yes. Okay, then why? There's a few important points that we need to remember. First, when all your application and data are parked or run in the cloud, then all your staff or our employee is in the office. They need to use the data in the cloud or use application in the cloud. So all of them will go through the internet connections. The internet connection is become a link or a channel or a gateway to access the important information and software. So firewall actually plays a role to manage the internet traffic. So you cannot allow some, like for example, someone use the internet to watch movie, or they can download music. So it will consume a lot of bandwidth. Then it will slow down the internet connection for the rest of the people. So in this scenario, firewall plays a role that to monitor who are using things that they shouldn't. Then from there, you can control the quota of each user. And you can also block certain websites you don't want them to go, so that the bandwidth is will be able to be allocated for those authorized data and applications. So this is the first point. And the second thing is when everything is everywhere, because now we are talking about distributed environment. So the distributed environment, people are in different locations. So firewall also has a function, it's called a VPN. VPN is actually an encrypted tunnel that link two locations. Then all your people will be able to communicate with each other just like your local area network, but they are distributed in different locations. So this allows the multiple team from different places work as one organization, and this connection is encrypted, means that it's a secure. So this is the two important facts that we must remember, so that firewalls is still very relevant to our business in this cloud era. Then the other thing is people will ask, this is just some bonus topic, some subtopic. For example, some people will buy a firewall. When they buy a firewall, then there is a yearly subscription. Customer will ask, should I subscribe? Do I need to pay every year for this subscription? Actually, the subscription, there are two important things. One is the warranty of the hardware. If you pay the subscription, then there will be a warranty. If this device fail, then there is one replacement unit, a spare unit for you to do, for you to continue to operate. Another thing is the functions, software function inside this firewall. This one thing everyone will use is content filtering, or we call it you try to manage or authorize certain website or certain content can be viewed by the user or not. For example, you don't want your team people will be able to access to maybe gambling website. So in this scenario, you are going to block the whole category. You just tell the firewall, I don't want them to go to gambling website inside this in the office during working hour. Then the firewall will be able to block any website under this category. This function actually comes with the subscription. If you stop subscribing, this function will not be able to function. Of course, you can tell me, I can actually specify that one website is, let's say I don't want them to go to abc.com. Then you just key in the firewall will block. Yes, you still can do that even without a subscription. But you need to imagine, let's say, gambling website in this world, how many thousands or even tens of thousands of gambling websites out there? So you cannot do one by one to manually type inside the firewall. It's almost impossible. So we let the firewall to do this. They have a team at the back to maintain these services. So they also have the AI to recognize the pattern of the website, which category it belongs to. Then it will help you to block automatically. So this is the difference. That if you don't have a subscription. So that's all for today. If you find this video useful to you, I hope you stay with us. Thanks for listening.